If we can understand how an insect's nervous system is able to process information, it turns out that our nervous systems process information in a lot of the same ways. We do it with more neurons, we do it in more complex ways sometimes, but a lot of the basic principles of neural processing are the same from insects to humans. Most insects have 4 wings. They have 2 in the front and 2 in the back. If you think of a butterfly, they have 2 front wings and 2 hind wings. If you look at a fly, they have 2 big front wings, and then their hind wings are shrunk into these little tiny structures, and those are the halteres. And they no longer produce any lift, but they're sensory structures. They're covered with little sensory cells, and those cells detect information about how the fly's body is moving and help it to fly. Our question is, how do those things work, and how does information that comes from this mechanical structure get integrated with vision in order to produce stable flight? My lab studies behavior by taking high-speed video and by recording the activity of their neurons. They need mechanical information coming from special sensors on their bodies in order to be able to stabilize flight. We were stimulating the neurons that are connected to the muscles that drive the halteres around, and we were able to actually move the fly's halteres, which was super cool. And we could observe this with high-speed video and watch what happened when we zapped it with light, and every time we zapped it with light, it would change its motions, just very slightly. Case Western Reserve University has the resources of a massive university and the community of a smaller college. I'm able to have really great relationships with my colleagues and my students, but I also have the resources that I need in order to do cutting-edge research. The Air Force Office of Scientific Research is very interested, not so much in us building robots. We're biologists, we don't build robots, but we are interested in studying the senses of these animals in order to get inspiration for building sensors that can then better stabilize other robots. My work is a combination of neuroscience, biomechanics, animal behavior, entomology. It's inherently interdisciplinary. There's no one way to go about studying biology. It comes from all different levels.